Aloha, Monica from Shorty's Wanderlust again. I wanted to make another video for you guys. I was using a different platform for the previous video, and the sound was just horrible. So I apologize for that. I also want to apologize for not being on camera. I've actually been under the weather, so I didn't. I just wanted to spare you from how I look today. But I just want to go over quickly again, organizing our link trees with the collection feature. This is fairly new. I'm just organizing mine now, so I figured I would just go ahead and show you what I'm doing. I have a couple of collections that I've created already. So I have a travel related services with baby gear rental, international eSIM, special needs equipment rental, and travel insurance. Also have a sandals one that I created. So I have all of my sandals links now in my sandal collection. I think I'm just about finished with this collection, which is basically my direct booking pages that are just kind of miscellaneous. And these are the different travel companies that I have direct booking pages with. So my next collection is going to be Beaches. Beaches is Sandal's sister property. It's also all inclusive, but the difference being that Sandals is adults only and Beaches is family friendly. So I just want to add collection. I named the collection, and now I'm just going to scroll down. And I already have my notes for Beaches. All I'm going to do is move them into the collection to keep them organized so that they're easier to find. So I'm just going to click here and scroll it up. And just get to the collection that you want to go to. And as you see, when I'm in there, it highlights blue and I don't know what it's meaning. Well, so I'm just going to do the same for the rest of it. So it's 5 minutes travel. About each Beaches and Sandals. And just to show you what these look like, so they each have different categories. So this one is for golf resorts and vacation packages, Caribbean beach resorts, honeymoon packages, and then they have military police and firefighter discounts, and of course resort weddings. So Sandals and Beaches brand are really big with destination weddings. There. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the rest of these and organize them, and then I'm going to put my collections in a more organized fashion as well. I appreciate your time. Please give this a like and follow. Grow my business. I appreciate you.